Nestled on over an acre of land with partial ocean views, this one-of-a-kind three-bedroom modern eco-friendly container home is located in Esterillos Este, Costa Rica. The home is expertly crafted using repurposed shipping containers, steel framing, and sheetrock interiors, creating a modern and stylish home that is both beautiful and sustainable. The sun-soaked living area is nicely furnished with a comfortable set of seats for lounging. The large windows around the living space frame spectacular bush views, beckoning you out to the outdoors to enjoy the lush landscape and beautiful native gardens. An impressive live-edge solid wood dining table with a seating capacity of 8 is located next to the lounge area. Next to the dining is a breakfast bar for 3, overlooking the outdoors, making you feel more connected with nature. The bottom floor also features a fully indoor-outdoor tiled living space with a rock pool and a garden perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet moment with nature. An external steel staircase leads to the second floor, the second story, which accommodates 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms. The bedrooms feature a comfortable queen bed with bedside stools and a large window that opens onto a private balcony. Next to the bed space is a mini kitchenette and a working space. Off the bedroom is a modern bathroom that features a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a wash and basin with storage, a mirror, and a bathroom window to light up the space. The top floor boasts an outdoor ocean view balcony, complete with a teak wood drop ceiling, creating a cozy and intimate space to unwind and soak up the breathtaking views. This home is designed with cross ventilation in mind, with 2-story balconies that maximize the breezes and the stunning ocean views. The third container bedroom is attached but has its own bathroom, making it the perfect space for a guest room, an office, or additional sleeping space. The inner walls of the shipping container were drywalled throughout, contrasting the predominantly corrugated metal appearance on the outside. The color palette for the house interior is bright and white, creating an interior space with an illusion of large indoor spaces. As a sustainable design statement, the grooves of the shipping container walls are left exposed on the exterior and painted in a shade of green to complement the vegetative landscape the house sits in. The decks provide a wonderful spot for sunbathing and enjoying the beautiful weather. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.